Today, let's learn the alphabet. Are there any letters hiding in this kinetic sand? There's the letter A. A is for apple. Let's put this here. Were there any other letters here in the red sand? Aha, the letter H. H is for horse. Let's put this here. Hey, look at these colorful ice cream cones. Any letters around here? Yeah, the letter C. C is for cat. That's a lot of soccer balls. Are they hiding any letters around here? Aha, the letter B. B is for ball. Let's put this here. What letter comes after C? That's right, D. D is for dog. It goes right up here. Look at these eggs. Is there anything inside them? Not in this one. I hear something. It's the letter I. I is for iguana. We better check the rest of these eggs. Oh, I hear something in this one. It's the letter E. E is for elephant. Whoa, look at these colorful sand castles. Are there any letters hiding inside? Nothing in this one. Oh, there's something in this one. The letter F. F is for fire truck. Let's check the other castles. Here's the yellow one. Nothing in there. Blue one. Nothing in there. Orange one. I feel something. It's the letter W. W is for water. Let's put it right down here. Look at these shapes. Are one of them a letter? Yeah, this purple one is the letter O. O is for octopus. Let's put it right here. Wow, look at that truck. It has the letter V on top of it. V is for vehicle. Let's put it right before W. Look at this snake. We better put these last pieces back together. The number 3 goes here. The number 2 goes here. And the number 1 goes there. And look, we have an S. S is for snake. It goes right here. Here are some colorful shapes. Are any of them a letter? Not that one. No, that's a giraffe. A unicorn. Another giraffe. A flamingo. And another unicorn. But this one's not sand, it's the letter U. U is for umbrella. It comes right after T. Now we have some shapes. Let's put the shapes back where they go. Here are some red circles, some orange rectangles, 2 yellow triangles, 2 green squares, and 2 blue pentagons. And it's left behind some letters. Here's the letter R. R is for rainbow. Let's put it right before S. And the letter Y. Y is for yo-yo. It goes right here. Aha, some colorful candies. Let's pour it out. Wow, there were 2 letters in there. The letter G. G is for gorilla. It goes right after F. And the letter X. X is for xylophone. And it goes between W and Y. Hey, there's Tow Mater. And he has the letter T with him. T is for truck. Let's put it here. I wonder what's behind these colorful doors. Let's open the red one. Oh, a lot of colorful beads. What about the green door? Hey, there's our next letter. The letter J. J is for jackrabbit. Let's put it after I. What's behind the blue door? Nothing there. How about the yellow door? All right, there's another letter. The letter P. P is for pineapple, and it comes after O. Here are some shapes. Let's dump them out. Any letters in here? Yeah, here's the letter N. N is for nickel. It goes before O. Any more letters? Yeah, a pink letter K. K is for kangaroo. Let's put it here. What's this? Chase has brought us the letter L. L is for lollipop, and it goes before M. Here are some more colorful balls. Let's dump them out. Are there any letters in here? Yeah, the letter Q. Q is for queen, and it comes before R. Any more letters? Right, the letter M. M is for monkey. It goes here in between L and N. Look, it's Mac. Does Mac have anything in his trailer? Yeah, the letter Z. Z is for zebra. It goes right here. We did it. We found all the letters. Now let's say them in order. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. We did it! Thanks for the help. See you next time.